Hello, hello, my views. Hello, my views, my friends, my bosses. Of course, you are my boss because when you are not around, I cannot do anything. Because when you watch my video, you are supporting me. So, guys, today I would like to be talking with you about the life of today. Gukenerwa nuko nshaka kugira mbaganirire ku buryo ubuzima ubu ngubu bumeze tugereranyije nuko ubuzima bwa kera bwari bumeze. Life of today, everything was changed. I remember when I was still a kid, my mother used to tell me that, my child, you must always feel free to tell me what you want because we can give you anything. Kera nyine nyiri umwana nyine mama yarambwira ati icyo ushaka ujye ukinsaba cyose icyo wansaba nakiguha. So guys, do you think today you can give your kid everything she wants? No, that's not possible because life is so hard today. Nowadays things are more expensive, and you can even see how our parents was having a lot of kids, but now if you have a lot of kids, what you can do. So that's why we must always go with the time, because time they are no longer the same as before. Parents, remember when you are going to have babies today, have just two kids, they are enough. Not like our mother was having 7 kids. We were 7. Ngo cyane nyine babyaraga cyane bakagira abana benshi, ariko ubu ngubu umubare ugezweho ni abana 2 baba bahagije. Kubera iki? Ibintu byarahenze cyane, ntabwo ubuzima bukiri mu bwa kera. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy my video.